Welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time on this channel, you are highly welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys so much for sticking with me. So today is a beauty video, or rather a makeup video. I'll be doing a natural look makeup on my beautiful model. So guys, if this is something you are interested in watching, if you want to see the amazing transformation, then keep on watching. Voila! And this is the final look, guys. Ebony black. Tell me, guys, do you love the outcome of this look? Do you prefer her when she was with makeup or when she was without makeup? She looks so beautiful, and this is her first time of wearing makeup. I couldn't fix her lashes because she was tearing up badly. But do you want to see more of this content on my channel? Please drop them in the comment section. I would love to read and know what your thoughts are. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a massive thumbs up. Please share it with your friends and family. Please subscribe to my channel if you haven't. Thank you so much for watching. Till I see you next time. Bye bye.